Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to turn on your Apple CarPlay in your 2019 Land Rover Sport V8 Supercharged. So, in order to access this feature, we must first get an iPhone cable. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna connect the iPhone cable into the USB slot right there. And once you do that, connect the plug into your phone. And it should give you an option to launch Apple CarPlay right here. So just like that, we're gonna click on that. And we're on Apple CarPlay. So when you swipe, it'll give you a brief overview of your apps, such as phone, music, maps, messages, stuff like that. And if you want to go back to the actual Land Rover display, just click on the Land Rover app right there and it'll bring you back to normal. And if you would like to go back to Apple CarPlay, just click on the Apple CarPlay logo right there and it will redirect you back to the menu. And yeah, that is it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.